Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel. I'm a homeschool mom to two boys, a first grader and a pre-K-er. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a lesson out of Singapore Dimensions 1B. We are currently on chapter 17, which is addition and subtraction within 100. And the lesson we're going to be doing today is subtract tens. So we have learned a lot about addition with adding ones and tens within 100, and now we're working our way through the subtracting ones within 100, and now we're doing subtracting tens within 100. So let's jump right into this video. So I always start with a little warm-up activity, and this actually came in the book and we didn't do it earlier. So it is little word problem for him to solve, and so he is going to start on that to warm up. You get to read it, buddies.
Emma's class planted seeds. At 1 week, Emma's plant was 2 paper clips tall. At 2 weeks, her plant was 4 paper clips tall. At 3 weeks, her plant was 6 paper clips tall. If Emma's plant keeps growing in height in this pattern, how many weeks old will it be when it is 12 paper clips tall? Can I write the answer big?
Yes, please.
Like on a sign. The writing has to be like as big as that on the sign.
Yeah, it would be, at 6 weeks, it would be 12 paper clips tall. High five, buds. Good job.
I would like to show you.
Yeah, that's correct. Did you do that all in your head, buddy?
I did this in my head. I did the 12 minus 6.
Love to see it. Okay, we are subtracting tens today, buddies.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have our linking cubes if you need them, okay? And you have your hundreds chart.
There are 100 of them.
There are.
Or they're supposed to be.
So today we're learning about subtracting tens. So we have 73 donuts at a party. 30 of them were eaten. How many cookies are left? And here is how Emma solves the problem. But I want to figure out how you solve this problem.
I'm going to split the 73 into 70 and a 3. I'm gonna do the 70 minus 30 makes 40, and 40 and 3 make. Do you know what strategy I used?
Tell me what strategy you used. Well, it looked like you were using Emma's strategy of separating the tens and the ones.
Yes.
Yeah. So how many cookies are left?
43.
You got it, dudes. I love it. Now, did you have to subtract any ones? No, which house number did you have to subtract from?
I had to subtract the tens house.
That's right.
We can check this page off.
Okay, now over here, Dion wants us to subtract 40 from 90. He says 9 tens minus 4 tens. Yeah, 50, correct. Yeah. And now our friend May says subtract 40 from 97. And she shows you how she would do it. How would you do it?
I would split the 97 into a 90 and a 7.
That's a great strategy.
Bump that 7 in to make 57.
That's right. Okay, and then you have some equations to do here. This first one is 80 minus 50. And remember, the clue is you don't have to subtract ones, you're just subtracting tens. Very good. And I do love this teacher manual. It has all the answers that it has all the answers from his textbook right here on the page, and the instructions are very user-friendly. So this is what I am looking at, so that's a close-up. And I do think my little pre-K-er is having a hard time upstairs, so I need to run upstairs real quick. You're gonna do math, yeah?
Yes.
Do you understand the assignment?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so while I was gone, you did 96 minus 60 equals 36. Good, now you're doing 75 minus 60 equals 15. Love to see it, buddy. So you're using linking cubes when you need them? This is great. This is great. I know what you're trying to write. He's doing 100 minus 40. I know what your answer is gonna be. 60, yeah. Okay.
So Mom, if we had 10 siblings and each kid got 10 Home Depot buckets, we would have 100 altogether.
We would. Here,
And
do
Mom,
this one for me. 63 minus 10.
Oh, God.
63 minus 10.
63 minus 10.
Yeah, 53, nice. Good job. Okay, now this one. 46 minus 30. Oh, where does that one go? 16, good job. Okay, now we have our two problems that are the trick problems. 75 minus what number equals 55? 75 minus what number equals 55? That's what he's solving right now.
75. And I don't use the linking cubes for the plus problems or the backwards equations. I use my hundredths chart. It has numbers to 100.
That's one of the things I love about this curriculum. It really gives lots of different strategies to the child on how to solve equations. So 75 minus what number?
75
equals?
and 55, 1, 2. So that's 20.
Yeah, 75 minus 20.
So what I do is I put an arrow up there and then I write the 2 0 for the 20.
So 75, and you figured out it's 75 minus 20 equals 55. Yeah. Okay, and our last textbook question is, so what number minus 30 equals 50? So what large number minus 30 equals 50?
Ha!
Yep, 80 minus 30 equals 50.
Mom, it only saw the answer for that one, but it thought it wrote 90.
Mm-hmm. But you're pretending. So now that we're done with his textbook, then I transition into some flashcards. So that's what we're gonna do next. He's gonna do a flashcard from, we're doing subtraction flashcards today.
Flashcards.
Flashcards.
Okay, so flashcards is one of my favorite parts. These are subtraction. I'm gonna give you a close up after. So 8 minus 0 equals 8. So Mom want to help
Yeah.
and see it.
Oh.
minus 18 minus 11 equals 7. Want to show them that answer?
I love it. You got it, dude.
It was a lot you gave me.
I do one from each of the, it's like -0, -1, -2. So I have one from each of the colors. Okay, so now.
How about 2 from each of the colors?
Oh, well, we do 12. That'd be 24, huh? I think 12 is plenty. Oh, buddies. Okay, so now we're doing the workbook.
I want to do 24.
Can you hand me the workbook and we'll show you, we'll look at what pages we have to do on the workbook.
So, what Mom does with 1B workbook is she puts a star on each page I have to do.
So in 1B, the lessons due in the workbook go from, in 1A, they were 2 pages long typically, but then in 1B, it goes from 2 to 4. So there is more like work in 1B that I noticed. So sometimes 4 pages is too much and we just break it down into 3 pages and that's okay. So yeah, we're doing 3 pages. So yes, you're gonna be doing some number bond problems, some equations, a challenge. The challenge says look for a pattern in each and then write the missing numbers. And then you have some visual equations to do, some number bond equations, and then some equations, okay? So let me show the people again the 3 pages you are doing so they kind of see the kind of problems that he is going to be solving. He does this on his own. If he has a question on something, he can ask me if I'm available. If not, he can skip it and we can go back to it because I do have another child I have to teach. So it is what it is. Here you are, buddies. I'm gonna let you get started on that. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video of doing a lesson with us in Singapore Dimensions 1B. What did you think, buddies? Was it fun?
Yeah.
I enjoyed it too, buddies. Yeah, I enjoyed it too.
And Mom, when I wave bye, do the credits.
Okay, I will.
Bye.